my favorite small trees is the Vitex or Chaste tree with its palmate bluish green foliage and flowers that come in a range from white to pink to blues and purples. And being drought tolerant and easy to care for, what's not to love about this tree? It typically will get to about a 15-foot height, and depending on the situation, it can sucker and be a reseeder. With all that in mind, while this is a small tree, it might be more space than you can dedicate. However, now with the new cultivar called Blue Puffball, you can have the beauty of the Vitex in a very small space. You can see it maintains about a 3-foot height, and it's nice and rounded without any pruning. Now this particular one we've had growing in a pot. So it's cold hardy to zone 6 in the ground, but again, being in a pot, it's going to be a little bit more tender. But it's overwintered here in Stillwater for us in this pot for a couple of years. Now Vitex by nature, they'll tend to die back a little bit, especially when they're newly planted. So you might find that if you plant it in a container, it will die back. All of this is new growth that's come on this year. But as Vitex roots mature more and more, they'll regrow from that woody growth in the following years. Now, as the name implies, this is going to have blue flowers. But if you're looking for a cultivar that has pink flowers, look for one called Pink Pinnacle.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.